In this ukulele tutorial, I am going to show you the coolest ukulele introduction to a song ever. Woo! Welcome, ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. And yes, I know my ukulele is absolutely amazing because this is a brand new COOLEST Ukelikethepros model. Check this out. Boom. Right here. This is available at the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Tobacco Sunburst, solid spruce top, mahogany, baritone, tenor like this, and concert, store.ukelikethepros.com. But before we get there, do you know that we give away an ukulele every single month right here? And you only got to do 2 things. Subscribe to the channel. And then, of course, when you subscribe, I know you're going to turn on that bell notification to get alerts for all the videos. But that's one. Subscribe to the channel. And then click the link below to go sign up. It's totally free to sign up. Once you do those 2 things, you're entered to win that monthly ukulele giveaway. And you never know. I might be giving away one of these here as well. So this is the coolest ukulele introduction. Okay, so this is the introduction. Sometimes it's nice to have a little introduction before you get into the song. Okay, so some songs may just start, boom, right on the first chord, and whether you're singing or playing a melody, that's cool. But warm it up a little bit. Get people into the song, and so that's why I have this cool introduction that we're doing here, which is going to be in the key of C. Okay, so that's going to be our key, our root, our tonic chord, and then this will be the introduction. I'm real excited. I'm going to show it to you in a second. I'm going to show you, but I'm real excited because over at ukelikethepros.com, I show you all this stuff, by the way. I mean, we have over 20 courses. We do live Q&As all the time. I'm showing all my members all this stuff, but we have a brand new platinum membership that I'm absolutely floored about over there. We are the #1 site, and we have the fantastic, best ukulele community in the world over there. So check it out, ukelikethepros.com, the platinum membership. That's the way to go. You heard it from me. All right. I am using a mic here, but I'm also plugged in. I have a Nue Air Blue pickup, which is cool. It's got a pickup here, and it's also got a little microphone in here, and you can blend the 2 together. So fantastic. Fantastic. All right, so here it is. I know you've been waiting. Okay. By the way, if you want the sheet music, like if you're like, you know what, I want that. I want to look at that printable, right? Patreon.com/ukelikethepros. We give that to all our patrons. All right, so check this out. All right, so I decided to do each chord for 1 measure. You could shorten it if you wanted to do like. You could do that as well. So you have options here. That's music. Okay, don't be locked into one thing. Take what I'm showing you and make it your own. And I'm just showing you the basic. I'm also just showing you a real simple strum pattern. Okay, you're going to be on the C chord. We're going to do each chord for 1 measure for this one. So down, down, up, down, down. Super simple. Now, this is a diatonic introduction. So we're going to go to the D minor. All right, then we're going to go, because you got C, D minor. What's next alphabetically? E minor. All right, and then what's next? C, D, E, and then F. And that's it. So it's a real diatonic, but it's really cool. And then it leads you to the first chord of the song, which would be C. So if we did it like C, D minor, E minor, and F, and do it again. Whatever the song is. It doesn't matter as long as it's in the key of C. That's a great introduction. How cool is that? Okay, it's just using a diatonic. By the way, you can hear that in songs also. It's not as an intro, but part of the song is Bob Dylan's Like a Rolling Stone. He has a diatonic progression in part of that song that works really well. All right, so there it is. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can, like I said, you can cut it in half. So each chord only gets 2 beats instead of a full measure. That's fine. You can funkify the rhythm a little bit. Doesn't matter, right? Make it your own, but it's really about that chord. So the coolest chord progression, the coolest introduction to a song ever. I want you to start using that. This is in a key of C. Of course, it can be transposed to any key, but for us right now, keep it in a key of C. So next time you have a key of C, which is going to be a lot if you play the ukulele because a lot of songs are in a key of C, go ahead and throw this in. be like, whoa, let me get the introduction here, and you guys come in when I tell you, and that'll be fantastic. So I appreciate you being here. I'm off. Got to get to work. But again, we're giving away a free ukulele every single month. Subscribe to the channel. Click that link below. And if you like this ukulele or any other ukulele that you need, store.ukelikethepros.com. So I'm out of here. Thanks for being here. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.